is an essential part of everyday life. But safe food is just as important as nutritious food. Food safety means handling, preparing, storing, and serving food in ways that prevent contamination and help protect people from foodborne illness. Food safety matters at every stage of the food journey. From purchasing ingredients to preparation, cooking, storage, and service, each step can affect food safety. Good practices help protect customers, employees, businesses, and the wider community. Food can become contaminated in several ways. Biological hazards, such as harmful bacteria and viruses, can make food unsafe. Chemical hazards may come from cleaning products or other substances. Physical hazards can include unwanted objects entering food. Understanding these risks is the first step toward preventing them. Personal hygiene plays a major role in food safety. Food handlers should wash their hands properly, maintain clean clothing and equipment, and follow workplace hygiene procedures. They should also avoid handling food when they may pose a risk of spreading illness. Simple hygiene practices can make a significant difference. Cross-contamination happens when harmful microorganisms or substances are transferred from one food, surface, or piece of equipment to another. Using appropriate separation, cleaning equipment correctly, and keeping raw and ready-to-eat foods apart can help reduce this risk. Temperature control is another important part of food safety. Foods should be cooked thoroughly and stored under appropriate conditions. Keeping food at safe temperatures helps control the growth of harmful microorganisms. Food businesses should always follow the relevant food safety procedures and temperature requirements for the foods they handle. Clean working areas, suitable storage, and careful food handling are essential for maintaining food safety. Equipment and surfaces should be cleaned appropriately, food should be stored correctly, and ingredients should be protected from contamination throughout the process. Food safety is not just one task or one person's responsibility. It is a continuous process that depends on good practices at every stage. By understanding food safety principles and applying them consistently, we can help create safer food and protect the people we serve.